You ready? Welcome to Abberly Foundry Apartment Homes by HHHunt, a Nashville, Tennessee community. Abberly Foundry is ready to elevate your lifestyle to new heights of comfort and satisfaction. Find your luxury oasis among our studio, 1- and 2-bedroom floor plans, and discover the perfect blend of spacious living spaces, resort-style amenities, and a hip Nashville location. Our pet-friendly apartments are thoughtfully designed to be your retreat from the hustle and bustle of the city. Step inside and enjoy open layouts with expansive windows, 9-foot ceilings, and private balconies or patios that allow plenty of natural light. Our chef-inspired kitchens feature quartz countertops, subway tile backsplashes, and breakfast bars. Your home will also include lavish bathrooms, large closets, and spacious bedrooms. Plus, our homes offer the convenience of in-unit washer and dryers and ADT smart home technology. At Abberly Foundry, we take amenities to the next level. Here's a list of some of the many amenities you'll enjoy as a resident at Abberly Foundry. An invigorating pool with a sun shelf, a rooftop sky lounge with panoramic views of downtown Nashville, and an outdoor entertaining center for cornhole and community social events. The vibrant clubhouse is equipped with smart TVs, individual work pods, and a fitness center. We offer a dog park, pet care center, elevator access in every building, and so much more. Abberly Foundry connects you to everything Nashville has to offer, all while providing a peaceful retreat from the city's energy. With a pet-friendly policy and no breed restrictions, you and your pets can enjoy all the perks of upscale living right here in the Music City. So, are you ready to explore the comfort and style waiting for you? Visit AbberlyFoundry.com. Abberly Foundry Apartment Homes by HHHunt is part of HHHunt. To visit all of our communities or to learn more, visit HHHunt.com.